Hi, it's Lance Edwards, and welcome to my video summary for Chapter 10, The Whole Truth About Real Estate Investing. You know, in the prior chapter, Chapter 9, I revealed my 4 components of success. And the 4th component of success, the most critical one, is mindset. And in that chapter, I promised that I would reveal to you the steps, how to take control of our own brains. And so this chapter is all about mindset. It's about controlling our brain, particularly our subconscious brain, about creating new habits of success, because that's where all new results come from, are new habits. This is a powerful, powerful process. In this chapter, I want to reveal to you what I spent years of study with different people to uncover all of this, and I'm going to share it with you, distill it down to you in this chapter. You're going to learn about what's called the law of manifestation, which explains how our brains work, why we have the things we have, why we don't seem to be able to get the things that we want to have. It's a cycle that we're all playing out in our heads. It's going to be an aha moment, I believe, when you learn it. You're now going to understand how our brains work. With that understanding, I'm then going to give you the 5-step process of taking control of your own thoughts, of your own thinking patterns, and how to design the life that you want and back that into the thought processes you need to have and the belief systems you need to have. It's what I do for myself when I was getting started. I do it every single day today. It's a simple, straightforward process. It's going to be another aha moment for you. I teach this in my paid boot camps. I give it to you for free in the book because it's that important, and it's what, frankly, differentiates the 5% who do from the 95% who just dream and never do. And I want to make sure you're amongst the 5%. This is an important chapter for you. That's Chapter 10. Now, I will share with you also in Chapter 10, I have a bonus for you. It's my performance dashboard. This is my time management system. I'm going to give you the same system I created that allowed me to do this business on a part-time when I had a 60-hour per week job getting started in small apartments. And using this time management system, it's a paper-based, simple system, I was able to retire within 3 years. I also sell this, but I'm going to give it to you for free just for making it this far into the book. Because you came this far, this proves to me that you're serious. I'm going to do everything I can to get you involved. That's Chapter 10. Now there's 2 other chapters. I'm not going to do chapter summaries on these, but I'll tell you right now, Chapter 11 is a recap of why small apartments, and Chapter 12 is frequently asked questions. So they're there for you as a summary of the summaries, so to speak. You know, it's been my honor and privilege to be able to share this book with you. I can't tell you how many lives it's changed. I can't tell you what it did. These techniques they've done for me and my life that enabled me to be able to share them and teach them to you. I hope you get a lot out of it. Remember, there's a lot of resources, bonus resources, and if you've not taken me up on a planning session, they're free. Go down here, check out the process. We'll be happy to share with you what it would take to get you started in small apartments. Again, nothing's going to be sold to you unless you ask, but it's my way of giving back, and I know at this stage of my life that the more people I can help getting started, it's probably going to mean more deal flow for me and my fund, because we're actively out buying these properties, and I really could use your help. Either way, please use the tools in here. Create change for yourself and create change for the world. Give 10% back to your favorite cause, your favorite charity. That's Lance Edwards. How to make big money in small apartments. It's been my honor. Take care.